Hello, hello, está volumen, voy a pasar. ¡Wow! ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Okay, okay. Mira, I have this little bit, I put a little bit, there was only a little bit, it was going off, but I washed it, so it's not off, so anyway, I fuck it, and the eggs, and the onion, and this can. Then we put some of this herb, kernel, but I put other herbs inside the kernel. Tiene otras hierbas adentro. The stir fry, mira, the stir fry. No, I didn't use that. No, not that. That's garbage. Anything here? Oh, no, lo paré. No, po. Que se prenda. Ahí, que se, whatever. Okay. Ahí, pero que, como esto, que necesita algo, a ver si hay otra cosa, hay un fideo, que tengo marcado, a ver, what do I have, I've got some of that, oh no, me pegué, shusha, me pegué. Me pegué. Soy tan delicado. I'm fuck off, motherfucker. I got this. Mira, cream. No puedo, I can't. No puedo. Fuck you. Yo. Ahí. Me pegué la mano, pues weón. Hice un error. Orito. Ok. No more. Esto es una bolsa. Eu tô gravando para puto la pucha, fuck you, motherfucker. Come on. Esto es ginger. Okay, that's enough. Esto es garlic. Cada puto, paca mua. Ok. Ahora. Ponle este aquí. Okay. Ya, pues. Ok. Mira, 3 minutos. Lo que te ha pasado, oye. Hablo español, maricón. Concha tu madre. Ya, pórtate bien. Look after yourself. Be nice. Okay, now we got rice. Got some pasta, which is, and we got garlic and ginger. That's the garlic there, see garlic, and that's the ginger, like these ones. And some of that, some of this, and this. Okay, and the packet, the 2-minute packet. This one. Okay, do puto. Deja. Okay, that's all. Mira. Pata, puto. Dule. Uno, dule, dale. I can put more water, I think. Un poquito más agua. A bit more water, please. Oh, dule. Esto. Puto. Amor. Es el cariño. hay que dejarlo que se cosa un poco. Ok, vamos a poner un poquito más de agua. Todo alrededor, aquí, aquí. Yo creo, eso es too much. Ok, ahora ponela ahí. Ok, es enough. Mucho. Ok, esto, préndelo. Come on, pa' acá, pa' que te puta la wea. Mira, tiene que estar aquí. Ok, tiene todos los herbs, every herb. So, let's recap. Bit of this. Ginger. Este es ginger. Yabo, ginger. ¿Cómo que ginger? Es ginger. Este es el garlic. Este es stir fry. Y este es el común, pero el común le mixed. It's mixed inside. Está mezclado. No se puede abrir por. Tiene 3 different herbs inside. And then got this. Then it got the eggs. It's got the eggs here. Tengo que limpiar mi casa. Okay, that's all. Eso es todo lo que tengo que hacer. This is all I have to do now. Turn round. Okay, wait until you're cooked up. I'll be back. Voy a volver tú. Te amo, te quiero, te adoro. Te amo, I love you and I do. I'm beautiful to you. La wa, champion. Okay, it's gonna cook. It has to cook until the rice is right. Look, it's sticking to the bottom, man. Oh, look at that. Se está quemando abajo. No importa, amigo. Voy a estar aquí. Sí. Tiene tomato, herbs, and everything. Es todo. Mucho. Tú eres bueno para cocerlo. Okay. I will be back soon. Okay. Páralo. Excuse me, please. Upa, vivo solo. I live by myself. Okay. Nada más. Okay. Okay. I'll see you soon. Marry me. Caramba. Chupa la puta. I love you. Be high, please. Viva España, viva Chile, viva Argentina, viva Perú, viva Colombia, viva México, viva Australia. I love you. Pancha. Okay, see you soon. Pull it. Here's the food. I just got it out of the microwave because I was cooking it and it started getting burned a little bit. I got sick of it. So here I put some cream in it, some more cheese, and it looks like this. It's got rice, spaghetti, and it's hot. Let me try some. Here it is. It's hot. Very hot. Oh yeah, it's got all this. It's got that, which is ginger, garlic, cajun. It's got that. I'll put some extra. Put a little bit of this, which I gotta put it away. Bit of that, which is that. I'll put it away over here. And there you go. The cheese, I put some cheese on it. Some cheddar cheese. I put some of this curry, garlic, chili, basil. Put in there, please. And I put some butter, all in there, please. Okay, and it come out like this. It's got cream in it. Oh, cream, this cream, look. Esta crema. Soy cream. Soya cream. I got put soya cream on it. I don't know why, just to cool it down. It's hot. Okay, very nice. There it is. It's got spaghetti, vegetables, and we'll put it together. Hello, bye-bye. Feel good, champion, intermix hector, YouTube channel, Hola. Tengo unas tetas, las tetas. ¡Voilà! I love you. Intermix hector. Okay, that's the food. It's got onion, tomato, everything. All the herbs. Too many herbs, hey? Okay, I love you, intermix hector YouTube channel, subscribe. I love you. My friend is coming in 7 minutes. Yeah, she's coming to buy a coffee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we got plenty of time. But it's gonna rain or something. It was raining the other night. In the middle of the night too. Good for the soul. Yeah. Pardon? Oh, you got it ready? All right. No worries. My friend is coming in 7 minutes. Yeah, he's coming. She's coming to buy a coffee.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. So we got plenty of time. But it's gonna rain or something. It was raining the other night. In the middle of the night too. Good for the soul. Yeah. Pardon? Oh, you got it ready? All right. No worries. My friend is coming in 7 minutes. Yeah, he's coming. She's coming to buy a coffee.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. So we got plenty of time. But it's gonna rain or something. It was raining the other night. In the middle of the night too. Good for the soul. Yeah. Pardon? Oh, you got it ready? All right. No worries.